Today we are starting the fifth part of second unit from 10th English syllabus. The name of the lesson is Book Review, Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. So when we start any lesson, at that time we learn the title. If we can understand the meaning of the title very well, then it is very easy for us to understand that lesson. So learning the title, that is the first thing we are going to do now. So here in this title, see here in this title, book review, that is the activity we are going to do. That is the activity. Swami and Friends, that is the name of the book which we are going to review. Swami and Friends, and by R.K. Narayan, that is the author's name, author or writer. So we are going to review this book, Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan, and just like as when we watch any film, after that we discuss about that film with our friends. What do we call that? We call it film review. In the same way, when we read any book, after that we review that book so that it is very easy for us to memorize. It is convenient for us to take some good things from that book. So that type of activity is called book review. So in this lesson, in this part of fifth part of second unit, the author or writer's name is R.K. Narayan. He is a well-known novelist. He wrote many novels. Swami and Narayan is also, Swami and Friends is also one of his novels. So Swami is a little boy. Try to understand. When we talk about the word Swami, then different types of things came in front of our eyes. So don't think like that. Swami here is the name of a little boy, and about his friends also. So this is a lesson, this is a story which happened in British era. R.K. Narayan also wrote many novels, near about 34 novels he wrote. In that, Malgudi Days, that is also one of his famous novels, on which TV serial was also made in the Doordarshan area. In the Doordarshan era, that novel was converted into TV serial, and it was also a famous TV serial there. So in this way, he wrote many good novels. So just like as when we read any book, after that, what do we do? That we discuss about that. Just like as in the previous standard, you learn about Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire. So that is a book, suppose you read. You know that Wings of Fire, that was about APJ Abdul Kalam, our late President of India. So type of that book. Yes, anyone can guess what is the type of that book? Whether it is a story book or whether it is a biography. What is that? A short story. So the type of that book is, it is an autobiography. You know the difference between biography and autobiography. When we talk about biography, anyone can write biography of anyone. But when we talk about autobiography, a book or about the events of our own life, when we write about that, so autobiography is written by himself. The man who is going to write something about his own life experiences, at that time that book is called autobiography. So Wings of Fire is an autobiography of our late President APJ Abdul Kalam. We have read all that. It is also translated in Marathi. The name of that book is Agnipankh, we know. So, type of that book is autobiography. Then there are some points here also in the warming up session in our book. How to review any book, that is also given. Strengths and weaknesses about that. So obviously in that book there are no weaknesses. So what are the things you like in that book? So it is an inspirational book. That book inspires us. In this way we can discuss about that book, that is called book review. Here also in this Swami and Friends, which is written by R.K. Narayan, we are going to review that book here. So let's start this warming up session here on page number 68. Chit chat is the first activity. Form groups of 3 or 4. Now it is not possible for us to make groups because of the situation here. So in our home also, in our family, we can make groups of our brothers and sisters or the family members, and we can discuss about them. What is your favorite book? That is the first, your favorite book. Just like as we have taken an example of The Wings of Fire is my favorite, suppose. So the members will talk about our favorite. Some will say Gitanjali, which is the well-known collection of poems by. So that is also by Rabindranath Tagore. That is also a favorite book. So you can talk about your favorite book. Then the second point, type of book. Short stories, biography, thriller, adventure, science fiction, historical. So what is the type of that book? Just like as we talk Gitanjali. So what is the type? It is a collection of poems by Rabindranath Tagore. Then the next point is author or writer. Then the next point is main characters of that book. Just like as in this book Swami and Friends, the main character is Swami. That is a child there, a boy. So in this way we can guess the character of that story. Background, that is time and place. So this story happened in British era, as earlier we have told. Problems and dilemma. What are the problems faced in that age? That is also we have to discuss. Any special message, what special message we got, that is also we have to discuss. So in this way you can focus on that activity, that is chit chat activity. Second, you have recently read a short story, novel, drama, science fiction, ghost story. Write in short 3 of its strong points that made you like the book and 2 or 3 drawbacks it has. Fill them up in the tree diagram. So see here, that is the activity given here. So strengths and weaknesses. So what are the strengths? What are the strong points of that book? That is also we have to mention there. What are the weaknesses? Just like as the story is not interesting, suppose. The book which you read there, it is not interesting. So you can write that is in the weaknesses that the story is not interesting. Then if suppose there is a problem of understanding the book, there is not good connection between the previous events and the next event, then you can write about that in the weaknesses. So in this way you can make that review in that book. The next topic in the warming up session, that is determiners. See here, determiners. Third point, So what is determinants? That is the language study of this lesson. Determinants are the words that modify a noun or noun phrase. Words that modify a noun or noun phrase. And the second thing about that, and occur then in a sentence. And occur before. That is the important thing. Occur before they in a sentence. That is called determinants. We know that the meaning of determinant. So the same thing is there. Words that modify a noun or noun phrase and occur before them in a sentence. It is just a thing like an adjective, simply. But the important thing is that it occurs before the noun or noun phrase. For example, we are going to take a simple example. My brother bought a few magazines. My brother bought a few magazines. We have taken this sentence. So here, this word my, it modifies the brother. Whose brother? My brother. So this my word, which modifies this noun, so it is a determinant. It is a determinant. My brother bought a few magazines. This word also, which modifies this word, few magazines. So, is also there, a determinant. So, there are some different types of determinants. So, let's see what are the types of determinants here. One by one we will take. Here I write about that. First, articles. First time. You know articles and the like that. Articles. In that we can differentiate definite articles and indefinite articles. There is the definite articles and indefinite articles. So articles. The second thing which can be used as determinants, that is demonstratives. Demonstratives. Just like as this, that, the plural form of this is these or those. In this way, demonstratives. Those are also called determinants. Then possessives. Third, possessive. Just like as my, in that sentence, my, your, his, her, like that. These are called possessives. Then quantifiers. Next, quantifiers. Quantity means just like as quantifiers. Quantifiers. Just like as many, then few, much, in this way. And last one is cardinal or ordinal numbers. Cardinal or ordinal numbers. So what is the meaning of cardinal and ordinal number? Just like as 5. Suppose 5. 5 is a cardinal number. And fifth is an ordinal number. So in this way, both are determiners. So let's take this activity. Underline only determiners in the following. In the book, see here. Underline the determiners, only determiners in the following. See here. My brother bought a few magazines. We have taken that example there. So my is also determiner and a is also determiner. Second sentence, you can look in your book. What is your friend's name? Second, what is your friend's name? So guess the determiner there. Yes, anyone? I will use some time there. I write that sentence here. So while writing, you have time to think about that. I write that sentence here. What is that sentence? What is your friend's name? What is your friend's name? That is the, what is the type of sentence? It is a question, interrogative sentence. So WH type question is there, but we have to underline the word that is, which is determiner here, your. And in these 5 things, how can you take that? Your, that is possessives. My, your, his. So this is a determiner which decides about the friend's name. Whose friend? Your friend. That is the type of adjective there. So here your is the determiner. The next, these are some toys. These are some toys. These are some toys. So what are the determiners? Here these, demonstrative, these, then some. These are some toys. Now these both words describe the noun that is toys. Both words. These toys. Then some toys. In this way, these 2 words, they are also an adjective, but here they came before the noun or noun phrase. So we call it demonstrative. We call it determiners. Determiners. Then this is the demonstrative, and some, it is a quantifier. Quantity means the things which we can count there. Many, few, much, in this way. So that is a quantifier. Quantifier type of determiner. So in this way there are 4 or 5 sentences given in book. You can write, you can understand or guess what type of determiners they are. So in this way, in this first part, we have completed this warming up session. Chit chat activities there also, and some activities are also given. In the second and third part of the lesson, which I will make the video for that in this week. So we will actually start the lesson there. Book review, Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. And after that, in the last part, in the third video, we will take English workshop there. In this way, we complete that activity. Thank you.